Wow, we're finally at a place everybody wants to see. I'm Stephen, and I'm telling you the story of Boston, told on the Freedom Trail. Behind me is the old State House. Now, the British government ran the state of Massachusetts and the city of Boston from there, appointed governors, things like that. But remember, by 1770, Boston is the problem child. We're causing many issues with the British, and there are 9 British soldiers on the night of March 5th, 1700, patrolling this neighborhood. They're patrolling a neighborhood of bars, brothels, prostitutes, drunks, stables. It is a rough harbor neighborhood. They're not on a military mission, yet one of them slaps a child, not like a toddler, like a teenager, slaps him. The slap is witnessed by a man named Crispus Attucks. Crispus Attucks is a Native American, African-American freeman, though, and he's quite well acquainted with the Sons of Liberty who drink in the Green Dragon Tavern, merely half a mile from here. Crispus sees the slap and he goes running to the tavern saying, bursting in and saying, the British are attacking the people of Boston. It was a slap, okay? But they don't know that. They're half a mile away. So they come through the streets, gathering a crowd, pouring out of taverns, bars, not drinking Red Bull, rowdy, excited, and they don't like the British. They're throwing sticks, stones, rocks, oyster shells, you name it, epithets and insults at these British soldiers. Now, I mean, this is the world's most unfair bar fight, basically. You've got 9 soldiers, 650 patriots, and a rifle goes off. Bang. It kills Crispus Attucks. He lies dead in front of that state house. As the British make their way back, 4 more rifles go off, and there are 5 Bostonians lying dead in front of the state house. Not quite a massacre as we would think of it in massacre terms. However, it is used by Paul Revere and Samuel Adams to truly light the fires against the British when they spread word around the country that it was the worst massacre in Western history. The streets of Boston were running with blood that night. Then, in a master stroke, they basically invent fake news in America by sending a poster to the other 12 colonies. And this poster depicts well-behaved Bostonians being fired upon by a military group in a firing squad position, basically a slaughter. It didn't happen that way. It was an unfair bar fight, a mob. In fact, all these soldiers were actually acquitted, except for 2 of them, given a small branding on the thumb. So when you shake hands, people know you killed somebody, basically. That was the punishment. But nonetheless, it was enough to spread the hatred of the British around the colonies and really kick off what was eventually become the American Revolution.